Here I have INFINIX S5, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, and next you have to go to the security section, fingerprint. Next you have to set your lock screen first. It could be pattern, could be PIN or password. Let's select PIN. Next you have to enter your PIN, confirm it. Next you have to select if you want to see notifications on the lock screen. You can see all notifications, you can hide sensitive content, and you can show no notifications at all. And now we can create fingerprint. And what you have to do is to locate your finger on this fingerprint sensor here and tap it several times. Like this. And that's it. Fingerprint added. And now, for example, you can unlock your phone with only your fingerprint. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.